Okay, hi everyone. This is Mrs. V Chan. Welcome to my Form 5 Accounting Lesson 8. And today is 5th of March, 2020. And today's new topic is about retirement of an old partner. Okay, so do you remember our story? So before we have Anson, and that is me, V Chan, and Sharon. Alright? And later on, Sharon always argue with me, and she's not happy about my management style. Okay, we really argue a lot. So therefore, Sharon wants to leave the firm, but it doesn't matter. Okay, Sharon has her freedom to leave the firm. Is that right? Now, here is the story. Okay, so after Sharon leaving the firm, so we have Anson and V Chan here. Okay, so what we are going to do about leaving of Sharon. So here, the first one, we do goodwill adjustments. So why we need to do goodwill adjustment? Because after changing the structure from 3 partners to 2 partners, you look at the P&L ratio, the profit and loss ratio changed, right? So whenever we have profit and loss ratio changed, we need to adjust goodwill. All right. Remember, we have 2 methods. Which method is better? Okay, the second method is better, saying that goodwill account is not opened, which is better. Remember that? So later on, we need to draw up a table to do adjustments, to debit the gain and credit the loss through the partner's capital accounts. Okay, so next, after goodwill adjustments, we need to look at the value of assets. So that is about revaluation of assets. So we may have the assets, the value is understated, and then we may have the assets which is overstated. Okay, otherwise it is not fair to Sharon. All right, so and I will show this to you with another DIC question later. Okay, now we come to the critical moments. Now, since Sharon is leaving, so therefore all things related to Sharon should be closed. All right, so here we have 2 situations. So situation A, so what about if Sharon has a credit balance in her capital accounts? And remember, what is credit balance? Credit balance is positive to her, right? So since we need to close, so we go to the opposite side. So that would be the debit side. So we debit capital accounts, and which is Sharon, to close it. Okay. And in this situation, since this credit balance is positive to Sharon, so therefore the firm should pay money to settle this credit balance. So credit bank. All right, and then Sharon will get her money from the partnership and leave the firm. Okay, so therefore to leave the firm, and then the partner, which is Sharon, she has a credit balance. That means the firm has to pay money to her, right? So what about if we need money? So Anson and I need money, so we only able to pay 30% of the capital account. So therefore, this is 100%. Okay, so debit side will be larger than credit side. So we need to insert something here on credit side for 60%. So it would be loan from Sharon. Okay, so for example, if the amount in Sharon's capital account is 100,000 and we only pay 40%, which is 40,000. So therefore, we need to insert something on credit side here. So this will be the amount we owed to Sharon, and that will be a kind of loan. All right. Okay, so now we come to the opposite. This time, Sharon has a debit balance. So to close debit balance, we go to the opposite side, that is the credit capital Sharon. Okay, to cancel Sharon's capital account, because tomorrow Sharon won't be here, right? So under this situation, debit balance is negative. So this time, who has to pay money? Sharon has to pay money to the business. So we are going to receive money. So we are going to debit bank to receive money from Sharon to settle her debit balance in her capital accounts. So this is the transaction to close Sharon's capital account if Sharon has a debit balance. Okay, so let's say the amount in Sharon's capital account is 100,000. Okay, and after receiving 100,000 from Sharon, and Sharon owes us no money. So this is about full settlement. Okay, but unfortunately, All right, so what about Sharon can only pay us 30% of the amount owed, so therefore we only receive in the bank, which is 30,000. Okay, so obviously you can see this is a debit side, 70,000 owed by Sharon. However, Sharon has no money to pay to us, so therefore this bad thing will be very unlucky to us, to Anson and to V-Chan, so that we are going to share the deficiency by debiting our capital account and using the profit and loss ratio. Because remember, the liability for partnership is always unlimited, and this is one of the disadvantages for forming a partnership. Okay, so the remaining partners, so that will be Anson and V-Chan, so they have to share the bad thing, okay, the insufficiency of Sharon's capital accounts. All right, so this is it. Okay, and one more thing is, so the ratio here is wrong, because I just want to follow the original story, so you just change that to 3-2, for example. Okay, so this is about retirement of an existing partner. All right, so thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.